It's crunch time for many high school students. In my parent-to-parent report tonight, the college application process and the common mistakes families make that could cost thousands of dollars. It seems like school just barely started, but deadlines for college applications are coming due.
Now we're kind of into the nuts and bolts of really getting the process done.
Senior Sean Lynch has been actively planning since his junior year by narrowing down his list of college choices.
Don't go off of what the most prestigious is or whatever's cheapest. You got to look at what's the best fit for you.
He and his family decided together what colleges made the most sense.
We also had to sit down and have family discussions about what we were able to afford.
Juan Diego's senior counselor Roxanne Kimmerer says the number one mistake many families make is automatically assuming they can't afford out-of-state tuition or that they won't qualify for aid. She says there are a multitude of programs available that can help.
Absolutely. There are so many programs that make it feasible for parents to send their kids out of state.
Kimmerer recommends meeting with a counselor who can help students apply to schools and get aid, keeping a file with awards and accomplishments. They can help with scholarships, allowing teachers at least a month to write letters of recommendation, and keeping a calendar to stay organized and prevent missed deadlines.
I do interact with a lot of parents who have not checked it out, and students, and maybe have missed some opportunities that they could have had if they started the process a little bit earlier.
Sean kept a file to help him stay on track. In the meantime, the Lynches are dealing with the kind of concern no amount of planning will eliminate.
The most stressful part of it is just letting him go.
Representatives from more than 130 colleges will be on hand at the upcoming Rocky Mountain College Fair. It's a free event, and it is open to the public. For details, you can log on to our website at KUTV.com and then click on Parent to Parent.